Hi guys, welcome to Clique 101. I'm changing the side mirrors on a Mitsubishi Mirage G4. I'm changing it because it has watermarks that I can't remove. I tried watermarks remover but it didn't work, so I'm going to replace it, so it will add good looks. And I am selling this car. Let's unbox the side mirrors. I bought one pair online for 1,022 PHP pesos. That's $18.61. It is all wrapped with bubble wrap. Now let's open. Check the side. Looks brand new, shiny. On the top, two hooks hold the upper side. And at the bottom, there are two locking clips that snap in at the bottom part of the mirror. Now I'm going to remove the side mirror. I'm going to pull it at the bottom to release the locking clips. Now that the side mirror was removed, I'm going to clean the sides with a microfiber towel. The two hooks enter first and then, at the bottom, lock the side mirror. I go and push at the bottom, snaps in. Be gentle. Check if it locks securely. Pull at the sides. Now that it's done, let's look. Let's look at the before and after. Here's the before, and here's the after. I'd repeat the same process on the other side. Let's remove the plastic cover. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe.